Our next presenter is Jessica Deere from the College of Veterinary Medicine. Fish as Indicators of Ecosystem Health, Assessing the Impact of Contaminants of Emerging Concern. Jessica.
Okay, I'm ready. Hi, everyone. The picture you see here is of Trout Lake, a lake in the remote, undeveloped wilderness on the Grand Portage Reservation, where the Grand Portage Band of Lake Superior Chippewa, a Native American population in northeastern Minnesota, reside. Grand Portage tribal members rely heavily on subsistence fish species in this area. Would you believe it if I told you that we detected an antibiotic, antidepressant, stimulant, steroid hormone, and insect repellent in this lake that has no human development along its shoreline? Well, we did. Sure, we only detected 5 contaminants and at relatively low concentrations, but does this mean we should simply dismiss this as only a small problem? How concerned should we be? This is what my thesis work is aiming to discover. Our team is investigating contaminants of emerging concern, which are chemicals that were previously unknown, unrecognized, or unregulated in aquatic ecosystems here in Minnesota. The chemicals that we tested for contain pharmaceuticals and personal care products, so everything from the antibiotics prescribed to humans and animals to the insect repellent that we use when we're out fishing in and exploring near these lakes. We are assessing whether there are differences in the occurrence of contaminants in fish, water, and sediment across environments that are exposed to varying levels of human impact, which we categorized as water bodies with human development along the shoreline, those with no human development, and those directly impacted by wastewater effluent. Then we're taking it a step further and quantifying the health effects that these contaminants have on subsistence fish species in these lakes. Of the 158 contaminants that we tested for, we detected 117 in water, fish, and/or sediment. And as you can see in the Venn diagram displayed on the right, 102 contaminants were detected in water, 67 in sediment, and 35 in fish. And 15 of those contaminants were found in all 3 sample types and include chemicals such as insect repellent, antidepressants, antibiotics, and other pharmaceuticals, caffeine, and even cocaine. Our team also performed health assessments on fish collected from these lakes so that we can determine the association between fish health and contamination. And diagnostic tools developed through this project may be used to objectively evaluate the health of fish populations exposed to environmental contaminants in any aquatic system. Understanding the potential threats that these contaminants have on fish health will not only inform management of aquatic systems, but will also reveal pressing environmental contaminants for remediation and potential food safety and security threats to the tribal community in northeastern Minnesota. Thanks for listening.
Thank you very much.